Today we're going to repair the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 LCD. Let's get started. Heat up the back cover to soften the adhesive. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Remove the screws attached on the motherboard cover. Remove the motherboard cover in place. Disconnect the fingerprint sensor cable. Disconnect the LCD and battery connector. Remove the battery in place. Remove the LCD connector. Heat up the broken LCD to soften the adhesive. Remove the LCD using a prying tool. Clean the LCD frame thoroughly. Place the adhesive on the LCD frame contacts. Prepare and install the new LCD screen. Attach the new LCD screen in place. Attach the LCD flex cable properly. Place back the battery properly. Plug in the battery connector. Place the adhesive on the back cover. Plug in the fingerprint sensor connector in place. Attach the motherboard cover properly. Attach the screws in place. Place the back cover properly.
Thank you for watching.
I'm Jackson.